Hi, this is Chef Andy, and today I'm going to make some wontons with a sesame soy dipping sauce. I'm going to take some shallots and scallion and some carrot and ginger and some cilantro and saute it in a little bit of olive oil to kind of open it up. We'll let it cool and add some mayonnaise and some crab meat, and then take that filling, put it in a wonton, secure it and fry it in some avocado oil, and then serve it with my sesame soy dipping sauce, or that's tamari, some sesame oil, add some grated ginger to that and some scallions to that. So our mise en place then becomes some finely minced up shallot, some scallion, and some cilantro. So the shallot, I like the shallot a lot. It's much like an onion. It's kind of like a cross between an onion and a shallot. Onion and garlic, I mean. We treat it just like we would an onion. We cut it in half to create flat surfaces, and then we use the layers of the shallot against it. We can slice it really thin, once halfway here, and mince it right off the end. And of course, chop it all we want. The scallions, we just need to slice them as thin as we can. So I kind of gather them into a package and then work my knife, slicing them as thin as we can, all the way down. And we just want to use the green part of that. That's the part with the flavor. It's tender. The white part is a little harsher. It has much more bitterness, but the green part is very tender. It will open up really nicely when we cook it. We just use the green part of the scallion, and then of course our cilantro, we can form it into a package and then slice it just as thin as we can. All the way through our package. So that's our mise en place. I'll come back to you once we get our wontons started. So I'm making the wontons. I've got my cooked vegetables and my crab and my flavorings all together in there. And the only thing I don't want to do is make sure I don't overstuff these. I've laid out some wontons, and I'm putting a little bit of our filling right in the middle. And then I'm going to take some egg wash and lightly brush all the way around the filling, getting the edges all coated in a light coating of egg wash. Then to form them, I'm going to take each side and pinch it together, then pinch each side together, then fold it and pinch the ends together, making sure we have a nice package. So once again, we just kind of fold them together, make sure everything's enclosed, all that filling. Pinch the ends together. My finger got stuck. Pinch the ends together. And away we go. And then I'll deep fry them and we'll serve them with that sauce. So then we serve the golden brown wontons with the sesame soy dipping sauce. Garnish with little scallions.